top 5 tools I use as a heavy duty mechanic. We're not sponsored. We're not sponsored, but I'd like to be. One more time. Hey, my name is Cam, and these are the top 5 Milwaukee tools I use as a heavy duty mechanic. Top 5, let's do it. Okay, top 5. This is harder than I thought. Top 5. That's a tough one, but it's not. But it is, because, yeah, I don't know. You know, you guys can't do this. They're my tools. I can pick what I want. Like, okay, top 5 tools that I would pick. I'm gonna put the grease skin in there right away. I have to, even though it's probably not like on the top of the list. I know I'll forget it if I don't pick it, and I just really like it. So I'm gonna pick it now. So it's there. I like the stubby guy. And I like this guy because I need to bust some big nuts sometimes. I want to put the mid torque in there, but I'm gonna hold off just because, I don't know, fuck it. I'll put that one in there too. I don't know. Let's see. I might change that. I might change that. What are we at right now? 4? I don't know. It's now I'm just getting like, it's a toss up between definitely not this guy. We talked about that. I was gonna throw it, but that's disrespectful, so I won't throw it. I don't know. This one's handy. Okay, so now we're 4.5 because that's a tiny one. That's more like a quarter tool. 4 so 4, 1, 2, 5. Top 5. Top 5 tools right there. All right, does that work? These are like thirds. We'll call them thirds. I'll be generous. They're third tools. So 1, 2, 3 thirds. That's a whole top 5. And that is my top 5 tools, Milwaukee Tools. Is that good? Does that work? You know, I'm kind of gonna go with, it's pretty much the order that I bought them in. Because like I said, these were the first 2 I bought. Because obviously I wanted, you know, having cordless tools for, you know, not running, because you use impacts a lot. It's nice to not have to run an airline every time. You know, that right there, you know, biggest reason. So yeah, you know, I'm gonna stick with 3 of them there. I mean, some guys would probably maybe pick the grinder and the 2 bigger and little ones, but whatever. But this is my choice, not yours. So yeah, I'm gonna pick all 3 of them because I really like this guy too. And that's the order I bought. I bought this guy. I think I bought this guy next, I think. And then I ended up buying a ratchet, I remember. So I'm gonna put the ratchet in there for my number 5 because I really like the ratchet. It saves me a lot of time. I'm going by what I use the most because honestly, if I use it the most, it means it's saving me the most time. You know, like as much as I love the die grinders, I don't use the die grinder every single day. I use these every day. No question about that. So yeah, these save me a lot of time. These are nice, they're convenient, but I don't know, I can put up with air for that. You know, the ratchet's super nice, saves me a ton of time. The grease gun saves me lots of time. You know, you can kind of get where I'm going with all this and the time thing, but time's a big factor, you know? So time is money. Time's the money, man. And it's the customer's money too, right? I mean, they want that service done quicker, that machine back up and running. And yeah, we can get them going quicker with that stuff, right? So a lot of you guys are probably thinking like, why would he pick all the impacts? You know, why wouldn't he kind of, you know, why do you need 3 impacts? Well, because I want 3 impacts. Because these are what save me the most time. You know, the impacts, the stuff that's turning fasteners for me, that's what I do every day. That's what's saving me the most time. Yeah, the grinder's nice. I won't put it in my top 5 because I don't use it every day. The drill, I got corded drills, I got air drills. I don't use them enough to justify, like I can pull a hose out for the amount of times I use that. And you know, same goes for the die grinders and everything else here and the nail gun. These are the 5 tools I would pick as a heavy duty mechanic starting out. I got my 3/8 ratchet, cordless grease gun, 3/8 stubby impact, the 1/2 inch impact, and the big impact, the big 1/2 inch impact. This is the mid torque, this is the big one. Now I'm doing 3. Get rid of 2 right now. Sorry, I'm sorry. You gotta go. Well, same reason. I can hand pump grease. It's not above me. I can do it. I just don't like to. And you know, this guy, there, that's it. Done. Yeah, 3. Top 3. Done. Top 3. Those are the top 3. You know, same reasons. Because, yeah, the mid-torque 1/2 inch is really nice. I'd use it a lot. But I know that anything that'll bust loose, this will definitely bust loose. And if it doesn't fit, whatever, maybe that'll work. And if that doesn't, I use my hands. That's fine. It's not the end of the world. I don't care that much. But these are definitely the top 3 time savers, money makers, all that kind of stuff. Top 1, you know it. You knew it was going there. The bigger is better. Why not? I mean, we still got hands. You can crack stuff loose by hand, little stuff, whatever. But the big one's gonna save you time. You know, it's gonna bust stuff loose that you'd be struggling with otherwise, right? I mean, the only other argument maybe someone might want to swap out for this guy if you're doing a lot of smaller stuff. You know, a lot of really smaller stuff, like on a car maybe. But we don't work on cars, man. We work on equipment. We work on heavy duty stuff, dude. Like, this is heavy duty. So that's why I'm going with it. Number one. And a lot of times this was the first thing I bought. So there's a reason I bought it first, because I figured it'd be the most useful thing. Yeah, does that answer your questions? Oh, how much did all this cost me? I can't disclose that. I don't know, I lose track. I just use my debit card, then I don't know. Just use your credit card. When you're an apprentice, get a credit card. It's like you're not even really spending your own money. I'm kidding. Okay, let's do the outro. Hi, my name is Cam. Thanks for watching, and these were my top 5 tools I use as a heavy-duty mechanic. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Like and subscribe to support the channel. And yeah, we look forward to hearing back from you guys. Yeah, you want to see more tools, stuff you might have seen in the truck tour, you want to see close up, let us know. We can do another one of these with whatever you guys see. So yeah, you want some merch? You guys want to buy some merch? If we get enough subscribers, maybe we can start doing giveaways. You know, I don't know. Just a thought. But yeah, no, this was a lot of fun. We like doing this, and we want feedback from you. So yeah.
If you're in the market for any of these tools, please consider supporting the Tekamo channel and using our links in the description.